This is Steve with ColorSealPro. I'd like to do a quick demonstration and show how our shower restoration and seal kit works. Basically, it's a two-step process. Step 1, restore your old, dingy, permanently stained grout to a like-new condition with ColorSealPro Grout Color Seal. Step 2, apply CSPro Supreme Shield over the tile and grout. This will provide an added layer of protection and make the floor less slippery. We restored and sealed this floor about 8 months ago, and as you can see, the highly used areas have discolored. So let's spray our maintenance restoration cleaner and let it dwell for 10 to 15 minutes and see how it works. Okay, we're back. As you can see, with no scrubbing, just dwell time, the floor looks great. We have packages available for contractors, pros, and do-it-yourselfers. So check us out at ColorSealPro.com.